Kerala's Chief Minister has once again opposed the Citizenship Amendment Act and slammed the RSS for its alleged ideology of hatred. He stated that the citizenship based on religion is unconstitutional and against the idea of democracy. He also called it a violation of systematic ideology and further added that no government has the right to bring a law that violates fundamental rights. He claimed that the Citizenship Amendment Act is violating constitutional rights. After the centre notified the rules of the CAA, several opposition party leaders have slammed it and called it unconstitutional. However, the centre has maintained that the act is only to grant Indians citizenship to persecuted minorities of Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan and not take away any citizenship in India. So this, of course, the latest that's coming in at this point of time. We're learning that Kerala's Chief Minister has once again opposed the Citizenship Amendment Act and slammed the RSS for its alleged ideology of hatred. He stated that citizenship based on religion is unconstitutional and against the idea of a democracy. He also called it a violation of systematic ideology and further added that no government has the right to bring a law that violates fundamental rights. In fact, to give us more on this, my colleague Brian Thomas joins us on the broadcast. Brian, Kerala Chief Minister once again opposing the Citizenship Amendment Act. Give our viewers an understanding on the statements that he has made.
Well, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan was drawing parallels to the historical atrocities which likened the present state of affairs in the country to Hitler's persecution of Jews, cautioning against the demonization of minorities, particularly like Muslims. He was speaking at this very mass event which was organized by the Left Democratic Front to protest against the CAA in Kannur, and he also highlighted the alarming resemblance between the RSS treatment of Muslims and the Nazis' treatment of Jews, emphasizing the CAA was introduced as part of this agenda to marginalize minorities and reshape India into a religious state. And this is not the first time that he has criticized the CAA. He has already, earlier also he has criticized the CAA. And he also says, but rather he asserts that the implementation of CAA not only violates the constitution, but also echoes dark chapters of history where minorities were targeted.
Yeah, absolutely. Brian, stay on with us. In fact, joining us at this point of time is Mr. Narayan Tirupati, Vice President, BJP, Tamil Nadu. Good morning, sir, and thank you so much for taking out time and speaking to us on NewsX. Now, Kerala Chief Minister has once again opposed the Citizenship Amendment Act. He's called it, he's in fact said that, it's unconstitutional. He stated that citizenship based on religion is unconstitutional. What do you want to say on these statements that have been made so far?
People are communal. Particularly the communists and the Congress are communal people. They are trying to flare up communal problems in India during elections. That is what they are doing. This Citizenship Amendment Act has come because the fundamental rights were violated unconstitutionally by the three countries, Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh. And those people, their forefathers were Indians. So it is very clear that in these three countries, the fundamental rights were violated against the minorities of the country who belonged to our country. This is the basic principle and the law of the CAA. These people don't want to understand, even they know they don't want to understand or they want to contradict. So it's very clear that these people are communal and not the BJP. As they say, they want to divide this country in the name of religion. That is what they are doing.
Right, sir, absolutely. So, in your assessment, of course, the Citizenship Amendment Act gives citizenship to those who were persecuted in Afghanistan, Pakistan, and of course Bangladesh. But I want to understand, with such statements, in your assessment, is it sort of detrimental to the steps that the centre is now trying to take?
No, see, the central government will definitely implement the law for who were persecuted in these three countries. So the central government is committed to that. And the parliament has enacted a law. So these people, communists, always divide this country in the name of religion, in the name of language, and in the name of secularism. These people are pseudo-secularists. They will do that. But we will definitely face these people and do the exact thing. What has to be done will be done.
Right, sir, absolutely. And, I want to understand from you, of course, in the national capital, there was a protest after Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's statements. There was a protest that was held in the national capital outside the Congress headquarters.
Yeah.
And we saw a lot of protesters come out there. They were holding national flags and, they were saying that they want to be a part of India. I mean, in your assessment, what are then the people thinking of CAA being, what do you think, what are the people thinking of CAA in India?
No, CAA, people have understood very clearly, but in order to, get the support of votes of Muslims and Christians, these people are doing like this. They are trying to harm this country by unnecessarily opposing this law, which is not, this law is not for any Indian citizen right now. The 140 crore Indians, it is not meant for anyone, even one single person. If anybody is affected, let them tell us who is getting affected. No, it is very clear because of the Nehru-Liaquat Ali Khan Pact, which was signed between India and Pakistan. They have failed to, implement the same, and that is why this has happened. So these people should understand, they are trying to divide this nation communally. They are acting, they are doing all sorts of dramas. This is politics, silly politics.
Right, so absolutely. With that, I'd like to thank you for joining us on the broadcast, sharing your perspectives with our viewers.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.